sunny California girl look. I would wear this look all the time. West Side. Rio. Mix colors 1 and 2, and then sweep across the entire lid. Then go in with shade 2 and define right in the crease line. The dusk reflection luminizing powder is really the signature piece to the sunny look. I use this in the hollows of my cheeks, down both sides of my nose, under my chin, and along my hairline. The Midnight Reflection Luminizing Powder is just a great highlighting powder that doesn't make you look shiny. You dust a bit along the top of your cheekbone, then down the bridge of your nose, at your cupid's bow, and then at your brow bone. Then you go in with the Truly Velvet Eyeliner in Truly Cocoa. Now wiggle that color into the lash line. This is how those makeup artists get that dramatic look. Magic Balm is my be-all end-all for all of my tricks. I put that right at the top of my cheekbone, sort of where those smile lines like to live, and just make them disappear magically. I love a good lash curl, so find your favorite and crimp away. Next up is Truly Lush Mascara. Now apply the lash primer on your upper lashes with the mascara. I start from the lash line and then close my eyes on the lash brush. This applies the color all the way from the base of your lash to the tips with no clumps. Next up is Truly Charming Cream Blush. I always apply on the apples of my cheeks to give you that nice natural glow. Kind Kiss is great by itself, but it's also great layered on another color. So if you want a stronger lip, choose any color, and Kind Kiss on top of it will give your pout that nice little punch. It's always nice to get that sunny, sun-kissed look. It looks like you're just enjoying life. You can discover more looks at honestbeauty.com. Please tell us how you would use the sunny look in your life with hashtag Let's Be Honest.